If you're looking for a potato variety that will produce a crop in a short number of weeks, then I can recommend Foremost. Foremost is one of the earliest varieties of potatoes. If you plant them now, you'll have them within about 8 to 10 weeks. Foremost is a really good variety for growing in the veggie bag on your patio to have an early crop, or indeed you can plant it out into your garden soil. It's also very suitable for growing in tunnels or greenhouses for a really early crop. Foremost produces these beautiful medium-sized tubers that are white skinned and white inside with a beautiful flavour. So if you're looking for a variety that's going to be really early this year, ahead of all the others, I can highly recommend Foremost. It's got fabulous flavour, it's blight resistant, and also it's perfect for growing in the veggie bag or indeed in raised beds, in tunnels or out in your garden soil. Now is the time to start planting Foremost in your garden.